explosive claims of political interference have surfaced at the Mbalula Commission, with Deputy Police Minister Castle Matale dragged into the arrest of entertainment blogger Musa Khawula. Witness F, a Gauteng organised crime officer, was grilled over Khawula's January 2025 arrest following a criminal complaint by businessman Ngwalo.
Police were placed under pressure to arrest controversial entertainment blogger Musa Khawula only after he allegedly insulted ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula. Testifying partially in camera at the Mbalula Commission of Inquiry, Witness F, a member of Gauteng organised crime, says the former Deputy National Police Commissioner Shadrack Sabia instructed him to act with urgency in arresting Khawula.
He said this guy insulted a member of parliament. Is Mr. Fikile Mbalula. The other one is Mr. Z.
He says Sabia allegedly told him that he was being put under political pressure to arrest Khawula.
But he mentioned me that he's getting a pressure of the deputy minister.
Khawula was arrested in KZN in January 2025. He has been detained at Sun City Prison in Johannesburg for over a year. Aryan Singh, Eyewitness News.
3 police officials have told Parliament's ad hoc committee probing police corruption that an untouchable cabal of senior SAPS officers from the Free State operates within the service. The officials made a joint submission on the final day of public hearings, reinforcing claims of deep-rooted corruption and factionalism in the police. Led by former union representative and ballistics officer Sikodi Ramalepe, the submission alleges key forensic and head posts are dominated by Free State officials.
You check how now head office is structured, strategic positions. All appointees are from Free State. I don't know you noticed that. The Major General Ramrena got it from Free State. And then the CFO, Lieutenant General Dimpani, Free State. Major General Masemula, Free State. And you can't touch those people, honorable members.